In this video, let me show you how you can fix blurry story on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to Solving Factory. To fix blurry stories on Facebook, first open your Facebook application and then next on the homepage. Next, click on the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Settings. And after this, tap on your profile settings, which should be where your profile picture is located. Scroll down until you see the settings for media and contacts. Under here, tap on videos and photos. Then in the video quality menu, make sure that your video quality is set to optimize rather than data saver. Please note that your video might still appear blurry with a bad connection because enabling the optimize option gives you the best quality based on your connection. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.